Hello, investors. Are you upset with the number of IPOs into the market, but unfortunately, you did not find any allotment from those companies where you wanted to book the profit? And that's the reason somewhere we have achieved the GMPs, whether it is in discount offer or whether it is in a uptrending. So that's the reason we are uploading this video, so you can come across what are the IPOs which are listed in 2021 but their price down right now. So you can check out the re-entry into the stock market with those prospective companies. Probably it may book the profit in the future. So you can see Prithviraj Finance presenting shares for investors to re-enter into the market nearby IPO price or at the lowest price of 2021. Dear viewers, if you see, we have given predictions about Shriram Properties Limited, where minimum INR we expected 80, and in this graph, if you see, this has touch up on 27 December 80 rupees only. So you can re-enter. Yeah, it is near 80, means it has gone below 70-80, that is 79.50. So if you are interested to invest into Shriram Properties, it's good idea to invest. That is your choice anyways, because as we see, this properties, basically property based shares always have a long term kind of growth path, as we say, excluding Lodha. Yes, Lodha has did it good amount of returns, but this is a Shriram Properties, probably it will gives you good returns, but we are not going to give you in this video at least the new target for this company. We will come back to you on the Sunday on this weekend. So share target Go Fashion India Limited, which will be valid till Feb 2022, and we are expecting if it is goes down, it can touch up to minimum INR 1100, and if it is goes up upward direction, that is, it can gives maximum INR 1700. So wait and watch what trend this share will show. It will goes up or it will sustain or it will goes down. So probably it will goes up. So we have given the new target till February 2022 will be 1700, and if suddenly if it is fall down, it can goes up to minimum INR 1100. Dear viewers, as we see, the Go Fashion India Limited has did it good amount of profit booking on the day of listing, and in that case, Go Colors, we have predicted minimum INR 1100 and maximum 1700 till the Feb 2022. Yeah. And yes, dear investors, if you see in this graph, basically it has touched below 1100, that is right now also the price is 1045.40 only. So you can, if you wanted to invest into this share, you can invest it, and yes, absolutely, or you can wait till exact time for an investment, whichever you think, because we will come up with the analysis later on about this. Go Fashion will show what exactly the trends. As we see, this video will be just for re-entry into the share market, so we will bifurcate the video rather than just putting everything in a, as per the company video. Basically we means like as per the IPO of the video. So here Go Fashion has touched lowest point, it shows downtrend as of now. So if you are interested to invest it, you can invest into the Go Colors. Dear investors and viewers, we have a share target for Q1, that is next 3 months. Prediction for Sigachi Industry Limited, that is we are expecting this, if it is goes down, in case it can touches up to 450, if it is not going down, it is going up, then we are expecting this should touch INR 900 or INR 1100 within next 3 months. Hopefully you will get good returns on the, even if you invest right now also, or you can wait it if it is going down. Dear viewers, first of all, we are not from the management of Sigachi Industry, because we got suddenly there are so many questions comes to us that Sigachi Industries shares has really going down and down. So this is just whatever we have delivered the analysis to you guys. So in the past we have predicted that till February, means that is Q1, which we always say it will goes down. Suppose it goes down, it will touch up 450 M minimum INR, and yes, it has touched up below the 450, it has touched up 390 itself, as we can see today itself on the 4th Jan. So absolutely 390 rupees is below 450. So in this case we have achieved minimum target for Sigachi Industries. Dear viewers, even if you hold the shares, you can hold it, it will gives you good return, but ensure that you should get exit at the right point and re-entry at the right point. Otherwise, some people wanted to book the long term and then they keep it holding, and sometimes who knows what exactly it will happen. So it will take around a year also sometimes. So choice is yours to for looking for long term or short term growth. Dear investors and viewers, share target for prediction for Fino Payments Banks we are expecting next 3 months is minimum INR 450, and it can go maximum about 650 plus. The behavior of this share we can't say as of now, but our static says they are working in small cities, but they working with the merchants. That's the reason we can say it can cross 650 plus 685 700 around maximum, but minimum it can goes down 400 or 450 also. As of now we can give it to 450 minimum and maximum 650 in the next 3 months from the day of listing onward. Dear viewers, if you see in the chart of Fino Payment Banks, so we have predicted if it is goes down and down, it can touch up to 450 INR minimum. And yes, absolutely right now this share has going down and it has touched to 470 on 31st December, and today on the 4th Jan it shows 385.75. So it's your choice, Fino Payment Bank. So if you see, this is also achieving minimum INR as we predicted. So now Vridivej Finance is giving new predictions for the shares of Sansera Engineering, and yes, in the price target by the end of December 2021 we are expecting, if it is goes down, it can touches the point minimum INR 750 and maximum INR it can touches 950 or 900 at least by the end of December, we can say. As of now we can say this much only, because we are not giving the highest target to the Sansera Engineering. Yes, they are new to the market, they will stabilize it into the market, or they will give us a good returns, but we are expecting it may cross maximum 950, and if it is goes down turns, then it can achieve 750 below, means 735 or 700 even. Dear viewers, we have predicted the shares for Sansera Engineering, and yes, in that case we have predicted, suppose this has gone down till December 2021 the prediction validity was there, and it has 750 minimum INR we have predicted and maximum INR 900. And if you see on 27 December it has touched to the 4749. So yes, absolutely, till the December ending our predictions becomes true. We are happy with our perfect statistic. Yes, absolutely, we have not checked out actually, but 750 Sansera Engineering did it. Below this 750 was we have cashed over here, and yes, absolutely, this has gone down also, but we have not checked out. So we have checked out till for the December, so that's the reason we are giving minimum INR, so you can re-enter into the such a stock where you can make the money, and that's the reason we give this kind of targets as of now. Thank you by Prathivesh Finance. Dear viewers, we have another YouTube channel is Crypto Blush. You can check. Yes, absolutely, due to cryptocurrencies there is a lot of discrepancies going into, not discrepancies, basically people think about there might be a lot of things may not work. Right now it is a chaotic situation for Indian investors, so the government rules, then apart from that there is a lot of things are going on. We will come one by one. Yes, people ask us 10 times about NFT, but we have not worked out on that, because that is what exactly people, there are lots of low, we can say tons of YouTubers are making videos and all, so it doesn't make sense. We have to do the same thing again. So you can check out with other videos from the other YouTubers, so you can understand it. We will start hardcore cryptocurrencies very soonly, but right now we are jumping from one channel to another channel, that is Crypto Blush to Prathivesh Finance. That's the reason there is a lot of confusion going on. So we have decided we will be online on Sunday on Prathivesh Finance, and on Tuesday too on Prathivesh Finance. Apart from that, probably we will show other days on Crypto Blush, because as of now we are not prepared as we think about the Crypto Blush, because Crypto Blush will gives a lot of stat, but this stat needs to achieve it with the perfections. That's the reason we are waiting, because cryptocurrencies, if you see their market, they have got listed into the market, was not completed 2 decades even, so not within a single decades is not possible. So anyways, we are not going to talk about cryptocurrency in this video. We will talk about Prathivesh Finance, IPO, GMPs, new share targets. So you can check out our new share targets. By Sunday we will upload with respective upcoming new targets for all the shares. So probably it will be very short video, because we will not put up a chart, no, so there will be not chart analysis over here how this share has performed, whether it shows the W turn, U turn, V turn, N turn, what exactly turn. Anyways, the charts over here is really making, but at last we are meeting our stat. That is important to all of us. Whatever we have given stat, it has been achieved, and thank you to all of our viewers. As we think probably nobody is visiting our YouTube channel nowadays, because there is no subscriber, there is no viewers. We just find out, yes, this has been like just pause the channel. So anyways, if you like our videos, thumbs up. You can, yes, there are the people think that we have not started since MTAR journey of GMP analysis, but it's true. You can check out MTAR video which we have uploaded first time. People may think we have a after the listing we have given the predictions and all, because everybody's thinking we can't change out. Okay, so in this, at least in the month of December, whatever we have given the predictions, you can check out in this video descriptions. So apart from there, with respective videos are available, so we will keep it into the descriptions. Yes, dear viewers, there is a lot of things happen in a life by accident or by God grace. So anyways, we will not start spirituality in this. We will start not God grace, but we can say it's all about what hard work you do, how you realize it, and then whatever your experience of journey, life experience, you are going to put sometimes, and it has luckily becomes a true. So it's all about what our analysis is meeting with respective share target. We are happy with our start. Yes, you have to do a lot of hard work, even if you are predicting single IPO share target, because if you see other print media has really having qualified people, they really do a lot of research, they probably have research team, and we are not even having a research team. We have to do everything independently as of now. Wish you happy new year, and hope 2022 will start our new startup company, which will give the predictions about the, as like other securities. It is very difficult to start on securities, but yes, absolutely, hopefully it will be work, and we will start something into finance. Basically, as of now we are YouTuber, but probably suppose we will get something good amount, we will start our own firm not very soonly, because we can't predict very soonly, because prediction is easy to say, but the thing implementing physically is not easy. Okay, whatever you can predict it, it's like data science. No, we can predict it. Tomorrow there will be biggest tsunami will happen, but tsunami doesn't ask us, no, should I come or not. Tomorrow Omicron may change the number of cases, so we can't ask Omicron, will you change it, what is your risk factor, what exactly impact on human life. It's all about suddenly some calamities comes or something comes, and then human has to prepare it, but we can predict it. Okay, we can predict it under some circumstances. So right now we are just predicting the share target under some circumstances. Our analytics meet with our expectations, we are happy, but physically to start own firm somewhere, it really took long time. It's need fundraiser, it's need something like that way. Okay, so anyways, we are not going to discuss about our future dreams or future of Riddhi Veg Finance. We are going to talk about just current market, what we achieved it, what we will achieve in future, not down the line. Yes, but right now